In this module, we will discuss what are the major characteristics of social group work method. Actually, the group work is practiced by group itself, by the members of the group. So there is the major characteristic, the major trait of social group work is this, that individual changes take place and personality growth is possible to the maximum extent, and their group work practice brings the change in the personality of the individuals, and the personality growth of the individual is possible, and these are the outcomes of group work practice. Group work is basically practiced by the help of its members, which is itself a major prominent characteristic, and which makes the group work distinct from the other methods of social work. The philosophy of group work is based on the humanitarian concept, because a group gets its inspiration from the happiness, joy, and achievement and accomplishments of the other members of the group within a community. And so the group must have a sense of belongingness, which is a major group philosophy, and which provides a strength and support to the personalities of the individuals. Group work also gives aspiration to help each other while living within a group. The group members learn how to help other people and how to provide the emotional support to the other members of the group. So the members of the group gets an inspiration to help each other. The group helps the individual when the other members are in some problem. The group work provides more skill and information as well, because while living within a group, the group members share their knowledge, the new information among themselves. So the group members get information about science, the new technologies, the resources which are available in the society, and other techniques as well. Group work also develops the human personality after group formation and their networking, and after getting the knowledge and information from the different sources, and after getting strength, emotional strength from the companionship of the other members of the group, and with the connection of the agency, and with the guidance of the group worker, the individuals develop their personality to the maximum extent.